In this video, we'll be starting on Gmail. So to log in, go to google.ca, go to sign in, or just press Gmail. Then you'll be presented with this screen. Type in your email address, next, password, next, and then you'll be presented with this home screen. So the main thing you'll see here is right off the bat, you'll see all your emails here, and on the left side, there's a category section. So by default, you'll land in the inbox section, and I know that because the inbox is bolded here, and the number beside the inbox represents how many unread messages I have. So in my case, it's 1, and the email that is unread is also going to be bolded. So if I click on it, see it go back, now the 1 is removed, and my email is no longer bolded, which means I've read it. If I go to the drop-down menu, which is, if you keep going down here, there's a more section, and there's more categories than this actually, and I can drag and drop. So for example, all mail, I can bring it up here, and I'll be covering some of these categories now. So inbox, we mentioned that. Starred is where all your emails that you start go. So if I go back to inbox and I star it by clicking on the star button, now go back to starred, this email is now in the start section. If I go back to inbox, unclick the star, now the start section has no emails. Sent mail is where all the emails that you've sent go. Drafts is something that's really cool. If you work on an email and for whatever reason you have to exit out, whether that's a computer crash or something else, then by default, Google automatically saves those emails. So you can go to drafts, see any emails that you haven't sent yet, and continue working on them to send them. All mail is a section where it's basically a catch-all. So if something is a starred email, or it's in the inbox, or it's in a folder, which I'll mention later, then it'll be 100% always in all mail. So if you can't find it, always go to all mail and you'll be able to find it there. Spam is where all your spam emails go, and Google is really good at catching spam emails. It'll be there for 30 days by default, and then it'll be deleted automatically afterwards. And trash is where all the emails that you delete go for 30 days, and then after that 30-day period, it'll also automatically be deleted.